Welcome to Field Day 2019. The Foxy's Amateur Radio Club conducted its field day at the Valley ARRL Modelers Club Field, about 10 miles north of Appleton. First thing on the agenda was getting the new to us van up and running and trying to get up the 45-foot pneumatic mast. Well, after a little bit of a struggle, that went up and it carried 2 dipoles, one for our go-to station and one for the sideband station. The big advantage of being out of town a ways is the noise floor is a lot quieter than in town. Once field day got started, the CW team took off like usual, making contact after contact. The other trailer, holding the digital and SSB radio, started out on digital, and they too raised up the contacts right away. Our VHF and UHF station did very well at the beginning as well. After everything kind of settled a little bit, then we got the go-to station up and running. The go-to station was right in the van. After a while, the digital and SSB station went from digital over to SSB and did very well at making contacts. Even with the sunspot cycle low, a lot of us found it a little bit more challenging to make contacts. We even tried making some satellite contacts. Gary, KB9AIT, brought his satellite system. It's a pretty unique little system. It uses a computer to track the satellite and sends the information to the rotor. The Foxy's Amateur Radio Club treats field day more like a social event. While we would like to make a lot of contacts, the real reason to do field day is more to socialize. And that is Field Day 2019. From the Valley ARRL Modelers Club Field in Appleton, Wisconsin, this is Dan, N9LVS 73.